In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a PDF file to an email in GoHighLevel. Whether it's for sharing guides, checklists, or forms, being able to seamlessly attach PDF files to your emails is a handy skill to have, and GoHighLevel makes it simple. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can add PDF attachments to your emails effortlessly. First, you'll need to upload your PDF file. Log into your GoHighLevel dashboard, and from there, navigate to Marketing, select Emails, and then click on Email Templates. You'll either open an existing email or create a new one. In the Email Editor toolbar, click on the Media Library icon, which looks like an image. This is where you can upload your PDF file. Just click Upload, choose your file, and select your PDF. Once uploaded, you'll see a file URL appear. This is the link you'll use to connect your PDF to your email, essentially making it accessible to your recipients. This method is especially effective for small PDFs, so think guides, checklists, or forms that your audience will appreciate having quick access to. Once your PDF is securely uploaded, it's time to create your email in GoHighLevel. Again, head over to Marketing, navigate through Emails, and then choose Templates or Campaigns. Click the plus sign to create a new email. You'll have the option to use either the drag and drop builder, which is great if you prefer a visual editor, or stick with the classic editor if you're more comfortable with text-based formatting. Now we'll add the PDF link to your email content. Here you have two choices. If you'd like the link to be part of the text, simply highlight the text where you'd like your download offered, such as download your PDF here. Then click on the link icon in your toolbar and paste the PDF URL you copied earlier. Don't forget to save your changes after this step. Alternatively, if you prefer to make it more visually prominent, you can add it as a button link. This involves dragging a button block from the sidebar into your email, clicking on it to edit, and then pasting your PDF URL in the link field. Make sure to adjust the button text to something enticing like "Get the PDF," and feel free to customize the style, color, size, and font of the button so it fits your brand's aesthetic. Before you send this out to your audience, it's crucial to test your email. Click on Preview, and then send yourself a test email to ensure everything is in working order. When you receive the test email, check that clicking the link opens or downloads the correct file, and confirm it works seamlessly across both desktop and mobile devices. Once your link functions correctly, you're ready to send it to your recipients. You can incorporate this email into a workflow or dispatch it as part of a campaign according to your marketing strategy. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to attaching PDF files to your emails in GoHighLevel. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification.